Hello, this is Meshell Baker, Vision Mastery Strategist, with today's value tip number 4, and the word is gratitude. Gratitude has been a game changer in my life. When I actually realized that everything in life was happening for me, not to me, it completely changed my life. So I went from being an incredibly angry person, thinking everything was unfair, where life just kept getting worse and worser, to loving and enjoying my life to the fullest when I started saying thank you, having gratitude, being grateful, and just appreciating people, places, and circumstances and situations in my life, and understanding that the omnipotence of our Creator, God, that all of these things are happening for us, not to us. So gratitude will change your life. Begin to infuse some in everything. Just say thank you. Don't need to know why. Just appreciate it and know it's going to work out in your favor. This has been Meshell Baker, Vision Mastery Strategist. And remember, you are blessed to be a blessing.